Hi guys, it's Lily from IGK Salon Miami, and I just finished styling my hair with our big time volumizing and thickening mousse, and I'm gonna show you how it's done, so come on with me and we'll check it out. I love using big time volumizing mousse before I blow out my hair when I want to achieve not only lift at the root, but all over body, bounce, and fullness. This formula is great because it protects from heat damage, creates double the volume and double the thickness. Big Time is made with Nordic cotton and a plant protein complex that leaves hair nourished with a soft and flexible finish. It also has lasting style memory, so your hair will not fall flat. Evenly apply Big Time from roots to ends and work through the hair. Before you begin to round brush, you want to remove about 80% of the moisture from your hair. Using a blow dryer and the concentrator attached and your fingers, gently rough dry the hair. Then going in with your round brush, blow dry hair section by section and twisting as you go to create body, movement, and fullness. Once I get to the top of my head and crown area, I like to pull my hair straight up when blow drying to encourage lift and height. As you can see, once my hair is fully dry and styled, I have fullness throughout my hair and it's left soft, flexible, and I can still run my hands through it. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait for you guys to try out Big Time. You're gonna love it.